Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so uploading files to a shared folder in Google Drive is a quick and efficient way to collaborate with others, whether you're working on a team project, sharing documents, or storing important files in one accessible place. Now, to get started, you're going to need to access or have access to the shared folder, either through an invitation or a shared link, and also the correct permission. So you also need to be have editor access to upload those files. Now, once you've set up, you want to go ahead and check your Google or Gmail account, and then look for somewhere in your Gmail account that says you have folder shared with you via Google Drive. So if you click into the link, it says here, if then that person's invited you or shared a folder, just go ahead and basically click open. Now, once you open it up, you're going to come inside of that shared folder. If you don't want to go via email, just go ahead and click onto shared with me, and you're going to come into here and then click onto that folder, so shared folder. Now, to add in a file or files, basically click onto new, click onto file or even folder upload. So click on the file folder upload, and just basically add in your files that you'd like to go ahead and add. So say, for example, I want to add these three in. I can just simply drag these in here, and they're going to start uploading like so. So once you start uploading, you'll see the progress bar on the bottom right hand screen, and they're going to appear in here.